All right, so we are back. Hi, Mitch. Hi, Jared. He's always so happy. We got 4 boxes, Topps Heritage today. We bust 2 on this video, 2 in the next video.
See how many times I can piss.
38 times, almost guaranteed. All right. Alonzo Blaze, Edge, Rick Rude, Shawn Michaels, Wendy Richter, Kane wins, Sheamus, blah, blah, blah. Hey, Mitch. What would happen if Jinder walks out with the title tonight?
World backlash. Worse than Charlottesville.
Too soon. Not enough. Not even close. If Jinder wins tonight, fuck you, Bobby Roode. All show, no go. Naomi, Brutus Beefcake. Hey, Brutus Beefcake's coming to Monroe Comic Con here in a couple weeks.
Jesus.
John Cena tribute. Bret Hart. Fuck you, Mookie Betts. You got Warrior, Xavier Woods, Luke Gallows, the good brother. Look at old Tex Ferguson, Finn, Braun, Stone Cold. We got a blue, numbered 47 of 99 of The Game. Triple H action. Old Typhoon. Mick Foley. I hate Rafael Devers already. He's been in the league like 2 weeks. He's already, he's not up there with Brock Holt yet.
Oh,
but
I remember how I told you I saw somebody in an Elvis
Gargano.
Dangerous player tee yesterday?
Yeah.
I also
Rollins, Orton.
Within 10 minutes of that, I also saw somebody wearing a Certified G Enzo and Kaz shirt.
Undertaker and Warrior. What's it say? Just read it. Aries, Lesnar.
Awesome. There's a Chinese guy in the supermarket and he didn't know how to say chicken. So he grabbed an egg, went up to the cashier and said, "Where mother?"
Bronze Ciampa. That's a sweet Kurt Angle, actually. Where mother? Jake the Snake, Jason Jordan Angle, Rhino, Asuka, Jericho, Bulldog, Edge. And there we go. What? And here is the relic. We got our Daniel Bryan tribute. And the relic is a shirt relic, numbered 64 of 99 of Hideo Itami. So much better than those stupid ass patch cards. I'll take it. I like it. Solid start. Jared, nobody wishes beaver cleavage anything upon anybody.
Part of Mrs. Cleaver's t-shirt.
This one's extremely thick. I highly doubt anything's in it. It's not. Rusev, Bray Wyatt, Kalisto, Bret Hart, Mr. Perfect, Bulldog, Tornado, Orton defeats Cena, Brock defeats Cena. good. It's a good thing, Jerry.
Dozier's 1-for-1 with a home run and 3 walks.
The normal back-to-back of Sasha and Bliss. Braun Cena, another blue. Number 9 of 99, Brutus the Barber Beefcake. Oh, yeah. Dwayne, Charlotte, Edge.
Did you see my Salazar text? Or whatever? Or
Go Royals.
Yeah. I think he's got Salazar went 4 2/3 and 12 hits, 6 runs.
Go Royals. Ember Moon. What a hell of a match last night, by the way. Her and Asuka. Dolph, Roddy Piper. Another John Cena tribute. Jericho, Foley, Shawn.
Dozier, Simmons, and Gardy have all homered for us today.
Big start. We need a big start. The last couple of weeks we haven't started out hot. Luger, Ryder, Natty, Cena, Macho Man, Bronze Macho Man, Shawn Michaels, Bret Hart defeats Mr. Perfect, Daniel Bryan defeats John Cena for the title. Howard Kendrick. Stone Cold, Ciampa, Backlund, Foley, Becky, Undertaker. Yeah. 2 packs left. Miz, Andre, Shamrock, Kenny Slamcock, Braun Simmons, Maurice, Braun Stone Cold, Daniel Bryan, Shawn Michaels defeats Triple H, X-Pac defeats the Road Dog. I'm supposed to be getting something Brutus Beefcake in the next Pro Wrestling crate next month. What?
An oven mitt?
No. Why would I give Brutus Beefcake oven mitt, Jared? That makes no sense. Latino Heat. Duh. Heath Slater, Daniel Bryan, Triple H, Goldberg. That was the world's longest call of all time.
He had to make sure he had the ball before he called it.
He was safe anyway.
Bailey, Shamrock, IRS, Warrior. Challenge it, Joe. And the Relic. AJ Styles Matt Relic. So I got 2 of these from Target, 2 of them from Walmart. So this one is number 23 of 99.
You're not supposed to cross over that baseline.
Survivor Series.
I think he was safe.
Yeah, we're gonna bust open. Nah, we'll save this one for the next box. So, until next time, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. There's Jared. Mitch says goodbye and hello. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time.